The aim of these meetings is to deliberate, to exchange views among the member states themselves on critical issues affecting regional integration. There, the hottest issues will be elimination of non-tariff barriers. We have got 5 non-tariff barriers which still exist in the region, though we have managed so far to resolve 199. Since the year 2008, which we use as the baseline, 204 non-tariff barriers have been reported. And out of this, we have managed to resolve 199. So we still have 5 which are outstanding. And 2 of these 5 affect Kenya.